Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off vibration for a specific chat on WhatsApp. If constant buzzing is interrupting your peace, this guide will help you customize your notification settings for a quieter experience. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once inside, select the chat for which you want to mute vibration. This can be an individual or group chat, whatever suits your needs. Next, tap on the name of the chat at the top of the screen. This will take you to the chat's settings page, where you can adjust various preferences. Now, locate and tap on the notifications option. This section allows you to manage how notifications appear and behave for this specific chat. Under the Messages section, find the Vibrate option and tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear with several vibration options. Select Off from the list and then tap OK to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully turned off vibration for this specific chat. From now on, whenever you receive a message in this chat, your phone will no longer vibrate, allowing you to stay connected without unnecessary interruptions. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your WhatsApp experience.